Welcome to Road Rider Reports, where we dissect motorcycles not just by their specs, but by their philosophy. The 636cc displacement isn't a mistake, it's a statement. While competitors stuck rigidly to the 600cc formula for racing homologation, Kawasaki engineered a bike for the real world. The 2019 model represents the peak of this philosophy, receiving significant updates that refined it into a razor-sharp tool. Let's begin with the core of its identity, the 636cc inline-4 engine. The magic isn't just in the peak power figure of 130 horsepower, though that is formidable. The genius is in the area under the curve. By increasing the stroke, Kawasaki gave this engine a trait 600S desperately lack: brutal mid-range torque. From 8,000 revolutions per minute, where a standard 600 is just waking up, the 636 is already shoving you forward with authority. This translates to real-world usability. You don't need to live at the red line to make progress. The 2019 model received Kawasaki's ride-by-wire throttle system. This was a crucial update. It's not just for rider aids. It allows for exquisite throttle control and seamless fueling. Paired with the selectable power modes, full and low, it gives you the ability to tailor the engine's character to conditions or your confidence level. An explosive engine is useless without a chassis that can translate it to the road. The 636's frame is a masterpiece of aluminum forging, designed for lateral stiffness and longitudinal flex. This means razor-sharp turn-in and incredible stability mid-corner. For 2019, Kawasaki didn't just tweak the suspension, they revolutionized it. The front features a Showa Big Piston Fork, BPF. The large piston reduces internal friction, providing incredibly smooth and consistent damping, especially under heavy braking. The rear, however, is the star. The Showa Balance-Free Rear Cushion, BFRC, is technology trickled down from MotoGP and the H2. It separates the damping and spring functions into separate chambers. The result? Near instantaneous reaction to bumps and impeccable traction, keeping the rear tire glued to the tarmac under acceleration. Furthermore, the swing arm was revised for 2019. It's lighter and features a new bracing pattern, reducing unsprung weight and improving the quality of feedback you receive from the rear contact patch. This is where the 2019 model truly separated itself from its predecessors. The electronic suite is comprehensive, yet unintrusive. It features a 3-mode Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, KABS. This isn't a standard ABS unit. It's IMU-based, meaning it understands lean angle and can modulate brake pressure with incredible precision to prevent lockup while maintaining chassis stability. The traction control is a simple 3-mode system. Mode 1 for track use, allowing for some slip. Mode 2 for street, more intervention. And off for the purists. It's not the most complex system, but it's effective and a vital safety net for a bike of this potency. From an aesthetic standpoint, the 2019 update was significant. It received the aggressive Sugumi styling of its bigger brother, the ZX-10R. The LED headlight is not only more efficient, but gives it a predatory modern look. The fit and finish are exemplary. This feels like a premium product. Ergonomically, it's a supersport. It's committed. The clip-ons are low, the rear sets are high, and you wear the bike rather than sit on it. However, compared to some rivals, there's a slight hint of usability. A hint. This is still a machine designed for attacking corners, not cross-country tours. So who is the 2019 ZX-6R for? It is not for the beginner. It is for the experienced rider who understands and craves performance. It's for the enthusiast who values engineering nuance, the difference between a BPF and a conventional fork, the feel of ride-by-wire throttle. It is the ultimate street-oriented supersport. It offers 95% of the track capability of a pure 600. but with a mid-range power band that makes it exhilarating and less exhausting to ride on the road. It is a more complete, more intelligent package. The 2019 Kawasaki ZX-6R636 is a testament to focused engineering. It's a bike that asked a simple question: what if we prioritize real-world performance over strict racing rules? The answer is a machine that is brutally fast, technologically sublime, and arguably one of the most rewarding middleweight sport bikes ever built. It is the thinking person's assassin. Thank you for watching. If you appreciated this detailed analysis, please subscribe to Road Ride R Reports and hit the bell for more. Let us know in the comments what machine we should analyze next.